Bitcoin crypto morning tea. Hey. Good morning, everybody. It's September 16th, 2022. My name's pianomattyb. That is Scaramucci's. This is your morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni, bring in the data. FOMO index has dropped to 20 from yesterday's 28. Bitcoin dominance is 39.4%. 24-hour volume 70 billion. Heartbreakingly low. And the overall market cap is 956 billion. Give or take 100 million. How she started, leading up to the moage. How she's going post-moage. Yes, ETH has dropped 12% since the epic moage, finding a bottom 1441. But it's the old cliche. Buy the rumors, sell the news. And I would say it'll take at least a month for all the dust to settle before we can really tell what's going to happen. Although with all the pomp and circumstance ETH is getting from the green environmental zealot mobs, I hope it doesn't have the same glorious green thumb as, say, Sri Lanka. Now over on the 4-hour chart, the gods of wickedness received its sacrificial wick. We talked about yesterday, and they are for now anyways at rest. I've drawn in a channel and a symmetrical triangle to paint in some weekend targets. My realistic upside targets would be to get back up to our triangle resistance level, back over 20K, about 20.2, where we'll see some pushback from the 20 moving average careening down on her. The triangle support line should give us some tailwind support, but if, and I say if, we break the channel support at 19.4, I feel it's bombs away, but we'll get to that bombs away bridge over on the Wookiee. Now over on the ding dong, aka the daily chart, we are hovering just over our channel support line. Corroborating upside targets are 20.2, which is also the 20 moving average. But keep your papers on the support level of, you guessed it, 19.4. Because breaking that, the next stop would be 18.4. Oh, why you gots to. Now over on the Wookiee, aka the weekly chart, we successfully painted in a doozy of a bearish engulfing candle we've been droning on and on about all week ad nauseum. Setting us up for continued bearish pressure next week if, and I say if, we close below 20K. But realistically, we'd have to probably close closer to 21K to erase the bearish engulfing taste in our market mouths. And yes, the bombs away bridge. She'll be massaged in by the dead-eyed smile of old Mr. Clean and his head and shoulders pattern he's riding in on. If, and I say if, we break that 4-hour ding-dong and Wookiee corroborated level of 19.4, the price probability of this pattern is, and sing it with me now. Oh, you take the pull, you slide it all the breakout point, and then we're all at 13K. Shish kebabs for Din Din tonight, methinks. And a quick look at some tailwinds for Bitcoin as the Dixie swinging back up to 110. The legacy zombie market swinging back down. A rather bearish combo heading into the weekend. But let's recap, shall we? ETH took a 12% haircut post-moage on the fire sale at news time. The 4-hour chart's upside target is at 20.2, where it'll see some headwinds from the 20 moving average. And the downside target is channel support at 19.4. The Ding Dong has corroborating upside targets of 20.2 at its respective 20 moving average. We're keeping our papers on the 19.4 level, because breaking her, we'd see a possible 18.4 retest. The Wookiees painted in a doozy of a bearish engulfing candle, calling in Mr. Clean's head and shoulders patterns, which, if we break the 19.4 level, could play out the 13K as should we give honorable kudos to the Dixie for getting back up to 110 in the legacy markets, for continuing downside momentum lathering Bitcoin with a bearish combo heading into the weekend? Yes, done and done. So remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. There she is. Is that the list? Oh, still no list. And remember, join me tonight. It's Friday for the live piano bar at 9 o'clock tonight, not 10. And, of course, sing me out, won't you? I'll run the banks of boom to spang. Whoa! Ching! Have a great weekend, everybody! Make sure you like